Hello again. Back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a Cambodian cooking called Kaw Sạch Ruốc, Kaw Sạch Ruốc Chia Boy Pong Tê. Basically, it's a caramelized pork butt, pork feet with boiled egg. So that's what it's called. We got here is like boiled eggs. So they take out the shell already, but 2 dozen. So boiled egg, de-shell it, take out the shell, 2 dozen of them, and then put some of this. It's already marinated with some of this black soy sauce. So it's already marinated, and the meat. This is the pork butt. And this is pork feet. So we got about 3 pounds of the pork butt and about 5 pounds of the pork feet. It's all been cut up already. And with this, we didn't show you the step. I didn't show you the step. You boil this in the water for about 10 to 15 minutes or so, maybe longer. Just boil it a little bit and then just clean it with after you boil it, and clean it with cold water. Clean it really good to get all that scum out. All right, now we're seasoning the pork butt and the pork feet. So just put some of this granulated chicken flavor soup base mix, about 3 teaspoons of that. Soy sauce.
1 tablespoon.
Yeah, one tablespoon of soy sauce. Some garlic salt.
About half a spoon. Half a tablespoon.
About a tablespoon or so garlic salt.
Black pepper.
A little bit of black pepper. It's about a teaspoon of that. Some black soy sauce.
To make brown, about 2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons of that black soy sauce, and oyster sauce. All right, oyster sauce.
About 1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon oyster sauce.
Just mix it.
Mix it up good. Just mix the ingredient up with the meat really good. Yeah, this is pretty common food to eat with rice in Cambodia. So
some people eat with the bread too.
Yeah, eat with bread or eat with rice. So it's very common food over there. It's very delicious, you know. So mix it very good.
And keep it for about 10-15 minutes.
Yeah. So yeah, just marinate it and let it sit about 10 to 15 minutes. Let the meat sit in the marinade ingredient for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, now just ready to cook, and we put a big pot there because it's got like at least 8 pounds of meat. So it's gonna be a lot, and we're gonna put 2 cans of natural coconut soda, basically 2 cans of this in. Oh, you can buy this from Asian store. Yeah, it's right here called natural coconut flavor soda. The brand is Coco Rico. So just pour 2 cans in the pot. I put a little bit of fish sauce in there.
About 3 tablespoons.
3 tablespoons of fish sauce in there. Fish sauce. As fish sauce a little smelly. As I'm a fermented fish. So you It's a little smelly. It's optional if you want to. You want a little flavor. Put a little bit of MSG in this, but not too much. It's just maybe
Just a pinch.
yeah, half a teaspoon or so.
Not half a teaspoon, less than that. Just
yeah, just a little bit, not too much. Really small amount of MSG. You don't want to. It's
bring
optional.
it to a boil.
Bring the coconut soda to a boil. It start to smell already because of that. Yeah, it's a little smelly now. The meat is already marinated already. Everything's marinated. The pork butt and the pork feet already marinated for about maybe 20 minutes now. The longer you marinate, the better. So, and this has already been sitting in the like soy sauce here for a while. The boiled egg. So everything ready to go into the pot. Right, it's already the coconut soda and the fish sauce in there all start boiling. Now put the meat in, put the pork butt and the pork feet in. So bring the meat to a boil and then the eggs will go in next. The water come to a boil again, and now time to put in the eggs.
And just let it cook.
Yeah, do not disturb the eggs. You might break them. So
I mean, you could for a while. You can just
just
shake it. You can stir it, but you can just
but just let it sit there. Do not disturb the eggs too much. And we put the. That's it, right?
And cover it. Put it too low.
Yeah.
The water gonna come out a little bit more.
Yeah. Okay. Just spread the egg around a little bit. That's it. And it's gonna put the lid on and let it simmer for about an hour or so. And then it should be done. Okay, now just put the lid on, reduce the heat. Reduce it to medium and let it simmer for about an hour. And after that, it should be done. All right, after simmer about over an hour, and it's a little over an hour. It's cooked. Look at it's very tasty now. Look at the meat is I think it's pretty tender now. The pork feet, the pork butt, and everything pretty tender. So we can so scoop it up and let's plate it up. All right, this is the final product: caramelized pork butt, pork feet with boiled egg. And there's two ways to do this. One of them, you just caramelize sugar and then put the meat in, but we did it differently. We use coconut soda, which do the same purpose to caramelize the meat. So in Cambodian they call it Kaw sạch chrup chỉ môi pong tê. So this is a very tasty common Cambodian food, and you can eat it with pickled vegetable right here. Now you see, taste it. This is a Cambodian comfort food. So look at the pig's feet. That's really tender right now. You can put your fork through it. So I hope you give this recipe a try, and it's a very good Cambodian food. Please give it a try. Share, like, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.